How to fix YouTube error. You are offline on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix YouTube error. You are offline on Android phone. First go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and here click apps again, and now just type YouTube and click on it, and here we'll find the storage, and then click clear cache, and for stop here we'll find it, click on it, and then for stop your YouTube, and that's it. Now go to data usage here and check this one here, enable all of those mobile data and background data, and then just try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.